Many travelers say that rolling instead of folding clothes saves them space in their luggage. But does it really? To put an end to the debate, we at Afar decided to test it out. First, we filled a suitcase with as many clothes as we could, all folded. Then, we repacked the same suitcase with the same items, but this time rolled. As you can see, we were pretty much able to fit the same amount of clothes whether they were rolled or folded. So what is the best method then? In the end, we actually found it best to use a combination of both methods and roll most of the clothes but fold bulkier items like sweaters and pants. Rolled items are more organized since everything is visible in your suitcase, and rolling can help prevent wrinkles. Once most of your clothes are packed, stuff smaller items into empty nooks and crannies and lay folded items on top to efficiently use all of the space in your suitcase. All that said, there is actually one way to make more space in your suitcase, and that's with packing cubes. This handy travel accessory, and especially those with compression technology, like these ones by Thule, can squish down bulky items like sweaters and jackets so they take up less room. No matter which method you end up using, any of these will still save you more room in your suitcase than simply tossing everything in there. So let us know in the comments below. Are you a roller, folder, combination of both? As always, please remember to hit that subscribe button and like on your way out. Thanks for watching!